Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about the complement method of digital system. In complement method, first we will discuss about the types of complements, and then after that topic we will discuss about the application of the complement method, that is subtraction using r's complement and subtraction using r minus 1's complement. If we talk about the complement methods, then what are the complements? Complements are the operations which are used for the simplification of the subtraction and logical manipulation, as well as representing the negative numbers. Second, in R-based system there are two types of complements. One is the r's complement and another was the r minus 1's complement. If we talk about the formulation of these methods, then r's complement can be defined as using this formula, that is r raised to power small n minus capital N, where small r is the radix, that is base value of that number, and small n is the number of digits of the in particular number, and capital N is the digit value. And similarly for r minus 1's complement, the formulation of this method is r raised to power small n minus capital N minus 1. This method is similar to the r's complement method, but with minus 1. If we discuss this method with the help of example, suppose we are taking this example: find tens complement of 5432 number, that is number in decimal, base value of this number is the 10. For this particular calculation, we have to use the formula r raised to power small n minus capital N. Here small r is the 10, capital N is the 4. Capital N, small n is the 4, that is the number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and capital N is the digit value, that is this value. If we apply this function over this number, then we will obtain this answer. And similarly, if we find 9's complement of this method, then we will apply this formula r raised to power small n minus capital N minus 1, and we will get this number. Okay. After discussing the r's complement method and r minus 1's complement method, we will discuss about the application of these methods. The application of these method is to subtract two numbers. First, we will discuss about the subtraction using r's complement method. In r's complement method, we have to follow these three rules. In rule 1, assume that two numbers s and t are the two numbers which we want to subtract. In second step, find the r's complement of t, that is the second number, and where s is the subtrahend and t is the minuend. Find the r's complement of the minuend, that is t, capital T, and add it to the s, that is subtrahend. In third step, if AND carry occurs, after adding these two numbers, there will be possibility of occurring the carry. If AND carry occurs, then discard it. Otherwise, take again r's complement of the result obtained in step 2. The result in step 2 is the addition of t, r's complement of t and s. If otherwise, if AND carry does not occur, then take again the r's complement of the result and place the negative sign before it. We will understand this concept with the help of example. For example, we want to subtract 540 in decimal number from 340 from the 540. For this, according to step 1, s equal to 540 and capital T equal to 340. According to step 2, we have to find tens complement of the t, capital T. We will find tens complement of this because these numbers are in decimal. That in decimal number system, we know that the r value of decimal number system is 10, and that is r's complement of 340 is 10 raised to power 3 minus 340 equal to 660. After obtaining this operation, the result of this step 2, add this result into capital T, that is 540 plus 660, and this will come 1200. 1 is the carry. According to this rule, if AND carry occurs, then discard it. We have to discard this AND carry, and the final result will be the 200. That is the answer. Now the second method is the subtraction using r's complement. The subtraction using r minus 1's complement. In this method is similar to the previous method, that is subtraction using r's complement, but with some minor changes. In first method is similar to the first step is similar to the first step of the r's complement method. Assume two numbers s and t, where s is the subtrahend and t is the minuend. In second step, there are some minor changes. First is the find r minus 1's complement instead of r's complement of capital T and add it to capital S. This portion is the same as previous method. In third step, if AND carry occurs, here the red color shows that some changes which are different from the previous method. If AND carry occurs, add it into the least significant digit of the answer. Otherwise, take again r minus 1's complement method of result obtained in step 2 and place negative sign before the result. We will see this method with the help of example. Subtract 540 minus 340 using r minus 1's complement, that is 9's complement method. According to step 1, s equal to 540 and capital T equal to 340. In step 2, find 9's complement in place of 10's complement of capital T, that is 10 raised to power 3 minus 340. We will apply this formula, that is small r raised to power small n minus capital N minus 1. Small r is the radix, that is 10, small n is the number of digits, that is 3, and capital N is the digit value, that is 340, and we will get this result. After obtaining this result, we will add this part to the T. T is 540. After adding these two values, 540 plus 659, we will get 1199. Here is the AND carry. This AND carry occurs here, and we will add it into the least significant digit and we will get this value. That is the answer. Thank you.